I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Apple ID is active, then sign in on each device. This links your accounts. Once done, enable iCloud Drive and toggle notes on so the service can store and sync content. Make sure devices run the latest OS to avoid compatibility problems, because older versions can block syncing. You're taking the first actionable steps now. Sign in, enable notes in iCloud, and update. These 3 actions let iCloud begin sharing notes across your devices. Now you verify where each note lives. Open Notes, view the folders list, and check whether notes are under iCloud or local. If a note is on local or on my iPhone, move it into your iCloud folder so it can sync, drag, or use the Move option. Make sure background app refresh and cellular data access are allowed, because Notes needs network access to upload changes. Once moved, changes propagate. That's why placing notes in the iCloud account matters for consistent syncing. Finish by testing sync. Create a short test note on one device and edit it on another to confirm propagation. If notes don't appear, sign out of iCloud and sign back in, because reauthentication often resolves stalled sync states. Also check your iCloud storage. If it's full, sync will stop, so free up space or upgrade. As a final tip, restart devices after changes. That refreshes background processes. If problems persist, sign out, restart, then sign back in. This usually clears stubborn sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.